Yun yung pinaka-importante na kailangan pang ma-improve ng EAC since medyo nahihirapan na sila when it comes to attacking. So, but might as well bawasan yung errors, right?
More than half of the errors ng first set para sa EAC nanggaling sa kanilang atake. You know, again, also reflecting on the lack of offense, only 9 attacks, and you can't win with just 9 attacks, especially against the Letran Lady Knights. You gotta find more.
Yes, even though na talagang nakikita mo rin sila na grabe din umatake.
Yeah.
Dapat ikaw din, gusto kong balikan. Parang ganun. Atake din ako.
Dapat ganado ka rin, ano? Bumawi. Second set is here. EAC kontra Letran in our second game on a Friday. And first rally of the second set goes long right away. Combination mula sa EAC. That's something we don't see often. Loot to Pasaol. Sarado. Back row. Razonable. Able to score.
There we go. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung when it comes sa attacking. Parang medyo nung napunta sila dito sa side na to, nakikita ko yung lakas ng mga palo nila.
Yeah.
Medyo na warm up na.
Yan. So, Alex Razonable, she has that capability. Itong si Alex. Can take charge of the scoring for her squad. Ito si Pasaol. The surprise bunot of Coach Kirk nung first set natin. Loot to Dayanan. Inaangguluhan ni Cara Dayanan.
Naging successful din yung dala niya doon, no? Medyo smart play to dahil hindi natin nakikita kanina to. Puro atake sila, and nahuhuli sila. Ngayon may nakikita na tayong combination play. So medyo nakaka-excite.
Hindi madali yung ginawa ni Dayanan doon. Nipis nung pinuntahan ng bola. And Judiel Nitura. This is a player that has been so reliable for Letran this year.
Yes, basic movements from her. Yan na yon. Yan na talaga yung simpleng galaw niya na talagang alam niyang pupuntos.
Yen Martin. Bounced off the net. Loot to Toriado.
Wow! Isa lang din talaga ang pinaka-importante na dapat meron tong EAC is yung magandang receive talaga. Kasi kanina napapansin ko kung may maganda sila na receive or ano, talagang pa-aatake talagang papatay.
That's right. So far, okay yung first ball nila.
Yes.
Oh, Leonelyn Padilla takes flight.
Ito na, na-excite na ako kasi nagbabalikan na talaga sila ng opensa.
I think ito yung unang set ni Flores na komportable si Padilla. They've been trying. Nakuha. So now it's Celorio in front. Padilla serving second so far in the rankings. Pero dito si Ramos bumawi.
Ramos, yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Pag may maganda talagang receive, hindi ka mahihirapan magbigay ng play.
Also, George Loot going to her quicker. So EAC showing some force to begin the second set. Flores over to Sari. De Andres, the joust. Razonable. Judiel. Oh, there was a net touch. Letran gets the breather point.
Damit daw, damit.
Now serving for the Lady Knights, Judiel Nitura.
Yung jersey niya yung tumama.
Kay Razonable.
Sa net.
So tumama sa net, yeah. Oh, it's a good serve. Again, one of the best that we have. Ramos. The ball for Nitura. Razonable will ad-lib again.
Miscommunication there between Sari.
Pero si Razonable is bailing out EAC multiple times here. Yung mga broken play, sa kanya lahat napupunta.
Parang yun pa yung effective na follow niya. Kapag ka broken play talagang ipapasok niya ng mahaba, pumupunto.
Yeah. So, razonable. Siya naman yung magsuserve ngayon. It's a good serve again. She's been serving heavy in this match. De Andres able to track it down. Good reaction from Ramos. Here comes Letran. Oh! Silorio scores.
Si Lorio is being aggressive sa gitna. Kung makikita mo talagang wala siyang pinalagpas na bola. Even nung first set.
Syra Silorio.
Now serving for the Lady
Kahit
Knights.
the bliss.
Panet Sari.
Able to drop it in. Sari serving. Good pass. Ramos scores.
Oh,
Yun yung sinasabi mo, Carly.
a battle between the middles of Letran and EAC.
But this one came off a perfect pass.
Yes,
From
from
De Andres.
perfect pass tong isa, talagang hindi nila talaga pinapabayaan yung pasa. Kasi alam nila na pag mayroong pasa, mayroong kompensa.
Now serving for EAC.
6-4. So si Ramos nasa likod. Balik si Toriado sa harap.
Oh,
Service ever.
Ramos
Error.
short lang for Ramos.
Time serving 6. So now it's Syra Silorio.
Sai Silorio.
Serving.
Now serving for the Lady Knights.
3 attack points already. Most she's had all season. Ooh!
Another outside, but this time for Letran. Nagbabalikan dito ng
Oh.
error. Talagang parang bigayan sila eh,
Oo
no?
nga
Hindi mo masasabi talaga eh.
At kung kakabukas nyo lang po ng TV o kaka-online nyo lang, it took us 29 minutes to decide the
Yes.
first set. Diba? Kasi dikitan tayo nung simula. Martin! Denied. Sari, off speed. Nandun si Toriado. Martin again. De Andres was there for coverage. Pasa all. Not that time. Judiel will try. Razonable. Again, out of system. Martin with the left hand. Here's Pasaol. Long rally. Longest so far in the second. And it continues. Toriado with a soft touch. Judiel. It's still going. 1-2 play. Martin. The blockers were established. Back to Yen. Drop ball naman. Kinuha ni Lut. That was very close. Pasaol will bring it over. Quick attack. Denied. Set up for Judiel. Saved by De Andres. What a rally here.
Oh, yun lang.
Attack
Sayang.
Oh.
Substitution for the crowd.
It was a great defense
Yeah.
for both of them. Pero yun lang. Talagang kinapos ang palo ni Pasaol.
Walang pipikit dun sa rally.
Oo,
na.
totoo.
Diba?
Nakatitig lang ako. Ganda ng defense eh.
Oh. Pasaol just sending it straight to the net. Flores. Ooh. Lut with a running set. Flores to Padilla. Somebody touched the net first. So, Letran equalizes. 7-all. Ang EAC parang
7 points.
di pa sila naka-move on dun sa mahabang rally kanina, Carly.
Oh, hinihingal pa sila.
Hinihingal pa. Razonable. Panangin. Masyado malakas. So,
Masyado din malakas yan ah.
off the bench pa,
Off the
medyo
bench.
malamig pa.
First technical timeout.
So, 8-7 lead for EAC. Going into the break, pagbalik po natin, we'll hear Flower Court Side reporter Lysel Galpo.
here at the NCAA Season 101. Martin and Carly, ibinahagi sa akin itong sina Vanessa Sari at Nat Estrelier how their squad felt emotional after the last game, not only because of the win, but also because of the immense support that they received that day. Medyo nagulat nga raw sila sa dami ng taong nanood at sumuporta sa kanila noong araw na yun. At biro nila para daw championship atmosphere na ito. And that same feeling is what they continue to hold on to, aiming to end the season as finals contenders once again. Kaya naman before coming into the set, active consultant Alexi Latanmaki reminds them to read their opponents better and to be more intentional on where they bring their balls, especially their free balls. All for now, Martin and Carly.
Thank you so much, Gleisel Galpo. And that was the vibe. I did that game, Letran versus Benilde. It had that championship vibe all around, and you know, a lot of supporters from both sides. And for Letran to get that win after trying so long against Benilde, diba, in front of their loved ones, that was a special moment for the team.
Yes, because they know that it will be a good game talaga. Na talagang magandang laban yung mangyayari that day. Kaya lahat talaga ng supporters nun, ang dami.
Oh, dami. And as we see EAC, by the way, EAC, not letting go of the rope here. Diba? Maintaining their lead. Judiel. Ito na si Lut. Ipinasa kay Dayanan. May mga tao sa gitna. And that's gonna be.
Communication lang.
So, 9-all. Sino to? Dayanan? Yeah. Pero may nakaabang eh, no?
Yes, meron, pero miscommunication lang. Good pass.
Yeah. Ooh! Yun ang super low fast. And Letran took advantage.
Dito lang talaga papatayin ni Nitura tong EAC sa mga pa-check ball. Kasi alam niyang establish yung block nila ng EAC. So, bakit hindi ko ipa-check?
Yeah, that's right. Nilalakasan or di ginagamit niya yung
Kamay talaga.
kamay. Yeah. Lut. Uy, going to Ramos. That was too low again. Lut saying sorry right away to Marinel
That's
Ramos.
for the second time na mababa yung naibigay niya na set.
And all of a sudden,
Score is 11
Letran is in front by 2. This is now 3 straight points from the Lady Knights. Malakas lang mula kay Padilla.
Another error. Service error.
If you're EAC, Carly, ito yung mga moments na kailangan mo mag-step up. Kasi isa lang naman yung inahabol mo. Kanina, abante ka.
Oo, kumbaga parang hindi ganun kalayo, hindi nakaka-overwhelm yung score na hahabulin mo eh.
So, kailangan tuloy pa rin yung laban sa kanila.
And also consistency.
That's right. Vane. Oh, De Andres absorbing it. Soft 1-2 by Lut. Not gonna work. Off speed. Kinuha pa rin ng De Andres.
Good defense by De Andres.
And Judiel. Pa-check ko rin mula kay Nitura.
Pa-check din ulit. Talagang mahirap depensahan yung mga pinapalo niya dahil talagang ang layo ng pinupuntahan na bola.
Yeah.
See that was a good dig.
Dito si Judiel. You know.
Hindi na umabot.
Oo, sabi ko, magaling kayo mag-block. Sige, gamitin ko kayo.
Talagang ang complicated ng bola eh, no?
Oo.
Maiinis kang depensahan.
Ito, Dequilia coming in for the first time. Pinalitan si George Lut. Pasaol. This is still in play. Setup. Kinaliwan ni Silorio.
Yes, to Ramos. Ramos said, no. Hindi pwede ang soft touch.
EAC has been so good with their blocking today.
Iba talaga pag meron kang established na block.
Number 12, Nissen
Alex Razonable on deck to serve. Dequilia, by the way, was actually their primary setter to begin the season against the Lady Knights. She was replaced in the middle of the game by George Lut. Sari. Dequilia. Lumusot!
Oh! Ramos. Parang kanina niya pa inaantay yung moment na yon.
Ito yung pinakamalinis. na
Kasi
atake.
kanina mabababa yung naibibigay sa kanya na set eh. So hindi niya talaga mapwersa.
Ito, perfect height. At isa lang yung tao niya sa harap.
Oo.
12 all. Oh, faulty first ball here. Colendra. Si Razonable ang magbibigay kay Dayanan. Oh. Letran is still able to send it across.
There you go!
again.
Marinel
Another one for Ramos. Kanina niya pa inaantay yung set na yon kasi hindi natin nakikita yung mga ganong opensa niya kanina eh. Nakita mo timing na timing, tama yung height ng set, tama yung kung saan siya na tumalon. Lahat talagang single block din siya. So, advantage.
So, si Dequilia pala, yung
Kamatch niya.
kamatch niya na setter. Na tumayaw. Reverse set and put down by Colendra.
Binawian agad ni Colendra. Ayun lang talaga hindi mo maalis sa Letran eh. No? Pag nakikita mong nag-run na tong kabila, talagang
serving for the
stop ko na to. Stop ko agad.
Yeah,
Which is good kasi talagang hindi nawawala yung kumpiyansa nila.
correct. And balikan natin yung first set. Letran made a run when tumayaw and Colendra.
Another one!
Marinel
Nautakan ni Ramos yung depensa ng Letran.
Hindi pa sila nagkaintindihan nun pero pumuntos.
Ay, nung kaliwa pa.
Oh.
Daling ko dito. Wow.
Ito lang delikado sa side ng EAC pag si Ramos
Substitution
talaga
for
ang
EAC.
nag-init.
Correct. Ito, papalitan muna siya. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi umabot si Budonal. Joke lang daw. 14-13. EAC in front.
Good serve.
Serve. Yeah, she's been one of the heavy servers of the Lady Generals today. Dequilia brings it to Pasaol. Lara May. Dikit sa net. Dayanan Bumuelo. Wow!
Oh!
What a dig by Tumayaw. Pero sobra.
Yan lang.
Mula kay Panangin.
ball goes out.
Naantay niya pa eh. Parang nag-a-adjust pa siya eh.
Ramos out.
Pero good thing about Coach Maya, talagang hinahayaan niyang laruin niya yung laro niya. Hinahayaan niya magkamali para makabawi.
Now serving for the
Kumbaga,
Lady Generals.
tiwala na
Oo, tiwala
makakabawi
talaga.
siya, no?
Kasi wala namang ibang nakakakilala dyan kundi yung coach mo lang, right?
Service goes out.
Erica Budonal with the error. So 14-15.
Sa Isilorio, no serving.
Sara Silorio will start. Toriado.
Toriano. Grabe no, parang match talaga siya sa lahat ng medals ng EAC. Walang ibang talon na nangyayari eh. Talagang diretso lang eh.
Yeah. Talking about Dequilia, of course, today's secondary setter for EAC. Timeout muna tayo.
Lady Generals.
Back to the action. And the previous point came from another medal for the Lady Generals. Dequilia activating Toriado this time. And that's been the MO for EAC in this second set.
Nakikita natin na sobrang effective talaga si EAC pag gumana talaga yung mga middles nila.
Yeah.
But of course, dapat sa setters talaga yan manggagaling.
Si Dequilia showing good connection with her
Whoa!
middles. Parang galit doon si Nishen Colendra. Sabi niya, tama na.
Grabe yung elevation nitong batang to. Kung makikita mo, sobrang simple. Pero pag hinampas na niya, talagang iiwas ka dahil malakas eh.
Yeah. And she knew that there were two players on the EAC side. Still, she brought it there. Kasi sabi niya, oh, sige,
Alam
ito.
niyang malakas yung ano niya eh.
Tanggapin niyo to. 15-16. Flores is back inside for Letran. Pasaol is checked. Toriado on the second jump. Panangin.
Good check.
Dequilia, dikit sa net. But it's still, nope.
Yan lang.
It's a point.
Pagkabanggaan lang dito. Budonal.
Medyo dumikit na yung set niya doon.
Yeah.
Nahirapan na talagang mag-adjust.
So tabla tayo.
Yes.
Di ba? Dalawang sunod mula sa Letran. From the timeout, a good track down by Dequilia on that short serve.
That's it. Sobrang, that's it.
Yeah. Inside. Ashley Toriado.
Alam mo, sobrang unpredictable kapag ka yung middle pumalo ng mahaba and hindi nag-play. Sobrang, kung ikaw yung didepensa doon, mahihirapan ka talaga. Kasi malawak masyado yung court na titingnan mo kung saan niya talaga dadalhin kasi nasa middle siya eh.
That was a heads-up play by Toriado. Scanning the floor quickly, bringing it to the right area. Again, it's a difficult first ball for Letran. That's why they're not getting the ideal attempts. Oh!
Yes, finally! Yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na talagang alam nila na merong ibubuga to si Panagi. Kaya hindi talaga nilabas eh, no? Talagang kahit magsiki, okay lang mag-error ka dyan.
Tuloy lang.
Ilabas mo yung ginagawa mo talaga sa training.
So ngayon, pareho na sila ni Colendra. Nakapuntos na off the bench. Caro Dayanan. Oh, it bounces in.
Dayanan. Mas mabit lang sa net, pero good. Point pa din.
18-17. So Dayanan is able to score. And it was around this point in the first set na nakabawi ang Letran. So EAC is hoping that the team has learned the lesson. That's quick learning. Oh, Panangin. Nag-adjust sa
Nag-adjust
dig.
siya sa pag-receive.
Sa receive. Ashley Toriado unleashing the service ace. May timeout ang Letran.
Easy pass. You are not ready at all. You're watching the right? Be ready. Work with your legs like we practiced on the yesterday. If you cannot pass from here, take it and pass. Good. Right. Now, also Lara, on the ball is here. You're passing for Judy. She's not ready. Block there. Good. Come on, ladies.
First ball
Come on.
muna. Naghihintay lang tayo na mag-error sila. Tayo gumawa ng paraan. Tara. Very good!
All right. Here's the score. Kaya napa-timeout si Coach Mayeth Carolino. A 2-point advantage in favor of the Lady Generals.
Medyo nakakakaba yung sinabi nung isang kasama nila doon, no? Totoo nga naman, no? Ang pangit din kung iintayin mo lang talagang mag-errors yung kalaban.
Yeah. Oh, Judiel. Able to make something happen right there.
There will be a challenge here.
Okay, I think they wanted to challenge kung 4 touches. Kasi feeling
Yeah,
ng EAC,
hindi na-touch na. Wala nang na-touch.
hindi tumawid. Yung initial attack, But they were too late to challenge it.
Oh, yan nga lang. Hindi na nila na-challenge.
Yeah. So, 18-19, Dequilia.
Oo.
Net touch. And Letran.
That was close to the net. Medyo dumidikit yung mga set ni Dequilla ngayon. Kaya nahihirapan si Ramos.
Set this time.
Ito yung mga moment kung kailan nagsha-shine itong Letran Lady Knights.
Alam mong talagang pangpanahon.
Yung mga mataas ang pressure. EAC, of course, they lack experience. Razonable overcooks it. 3 straight points for Letran after the timeout.
Yan ang binitaw nyo. Di bali nang lumalamang tayo sa isa, dalawa. Okay lang yan, basta maintain lang natin. Nawawala na naman tayo. Nawala ka naman rin nila. Ano nangyari? Di ba? Dumikit ka na naman sa net. Binigyan ka ng bola. Oh. Talagang kakainin ka ng blaka. Sige na. Kaya pa yan.
Kapit tayo! EAC! Kapit!
Coach Corkong, same timeout in the first set. We'll see if it will work here. They're behind by a point after leading it by 2 just a few minutes ago.
Yes, it was really their game plan talaga yung mga sets ni Dequilla.
Yung malapit sa net, yung mga
Oo.
tight sets, ano?
Kasi matangkad eh.
Razonable. Chance for Letran. Judiel
Oh!
scores!
No one's there. Dito mo talaga makikita yung tibay at panapos ng Letran. But this is a good opportunity for EAC since talagang na-experience nila yung ganitong moments and nakakatulong din to, right? Na nagiging nafa-familiarize nila yung moment.
That's true.
See? It's inside.
That's good. Yeah. So, Dayanan ending that Letran 4-0 run. Ito medyo pressure-packed na yung sitwasyon natin dito because we are in the latter stretch or in the later stretch rather of a set.
Hindi na pwedeng magkamali dito.
Dequilla. Kaya razonable naman. Here comes Letran. They choose Vanessa Sari.
Sari, say no.
Too good. Vanessa Sari.
We all know Sari pag sa mga ganitong moments talaga dito siya nagpapakawala ng mga malalakas na opensa.
Kahit na buong laban,
Oo.
yung kumbaga kakaunti pa lang yung attempts niya. Pag porsyentuhan, nagde-deliver.
Talagang nagde-deliver siya.
Hinabol ni Flores. Funny again. Wow!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, this is still good.
Good pa, good pa.
Flores, back to Vanet.
That's out.
There was a touch. So 23-20 is the tally. George Lute will come back in.
We have a coach's challenge.
Okay, net
Meron
touch.
nag-challenge. Pero ang i-challenge nila is yung net touch.
Hindi yung
Hindi
check,
yung
yung
check,
back touch.
yes.
Okay. We'll see. But EAC, wow.
Ang galing lang din talaga ng mga coaching staff ng EAC, no? Credit to them.
Yeah.
Talagang yung attention nila is wala din talaga dito sa may ano. Si Martin na lang. Kaya na ni Martin.
Mapasayawin ba si Carly?
Uy, bakit? Kaya na nilang mga players yan, no? Si Direk talaga.
Alam mo, direct. I-check nyo lang. Ayan na. Oh, yan. Ayan. Yan. TikTok yan eh. Sa TikTok.
Buti ka pa sumasayaw. Si Anton ayaw sumayaw eh. Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya?
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya.
Ganito lang siya sa akin.
Nakasteady lang.
Sabi niya, hindi ako sasayaw. Hindi ako sasayaw. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi ako sasayaw, partner. Hindi ako sasayaw.
Alam mo, i-note natin yan para next time.
Sige.
Sure, nasayaw.
Actually, alam ko na yun eh. Medyo nag-expect na ako ng konti.
Okay, sa side pala nila. There was.
The touch is a yes. The challenge is unsuccessful.
Kasi yun yung tinawag nung ano na net daw.
Okay. Okay, so
Medyo
23-20.
hindi tanggap ni coach yung naging decision ng mga referees doon.
Substitution
Okay.
for
That was a long
EAC.
pause.
Number 2, May Tequila out. Number 3, George Lute in.
So, balik na si George Lute. Dequilia has been, well, she was steady when she first entered. Pero last few rallies, medyo
There you
nagka-problema.
go.
And that's why Lute came back.
Good pass.
Oh. George Lute setting up Ramos perfectly.
Naghahabol pa sila dito.
Alex Rosanable now serving for EAC.
Hindi ko makakapitan to ng EAC.
There's really no room for errors
Aha.
this time.
Razonable. Si Silva yung kumuha ng first ball. Kinaliwa ni Vanek. Oh, it's an error on Letran.
Yes. I think it's a net touch.
Wow. Okay. So, isa na lang. Ang abante ng Letran.
Timeout, Natran Lady Knights.
Ladies again, side out. Right? Good pass, we go. Easy. Breathe and easy. We know how to play volleyball. We pass perfectly, we go. Chick. Calma. Put the ball perfectly on antenna with spike. Let's go.
Ate, tayo magtapos na maayos. Maayos. Tapusin natin maayos. One good pass.
Clear message from consultant Alexi Lakshmimaki. One good pass.
They really need a good pass this time since sobrang crucial na nitong point na to.
Yeah. Lead is down to 1 after
Alex Rosanable.
going up to 3 just a few moments ago for the Lady Knights. Razonable will be tested. She still serves well. Here is Vanek. Easy up. EAC has a chance here. Pasaol puts it down.
Pasaol! Sabi niya, hindi pwede. Bigyan natin to ng thrill.
Yan. She has been a revelation today for the Lady Generals. Replaced a struggling Perez. In that first frame, hindi na lumabas itong si Pasaol.
Sobrang ganda din talaga kasi ng pinapakita niya. Talagang hindi siya makuha ng
Yeah.
blockers ng Letran.
At buo loob niya.
Totoo.
Again, Razonable serving well. Vanek will try again. This one is deflected again. Pasaol had to ad-lib. They go to Judiel. Nandun si De Andres. Lute choosing Ramos. Nakabang si Celorio. Pasaol. Then bring it over to Vanek. Lute to Ramos. Sobra.
That was too low again for Lud. Na nakita natin na nag-adjust si Ramos doon.
Yeah. And the Letranistas are celebrating
Lady Knights are now at 7.
in San Andres. Dahil set point na po ang Lady Knights. Timeout, Coach Kirk.
EAC Lady Generals.
At pipilitin mo, tatapon mo yung bola, sayang. Diba? Diskarte tayo. Si Sari, umarap doon. Saan ba? Nasaan si ano? Alex, tignan mo ha. Si Sari yan. Ito ha. Ha? Okay.
All right. 24-23.
Sinasabi na ni Coach na si Sari talaga yan. Si Sari talaga yan.
Yeah.
But then, nasa likod na si Sari.
Ito.
Vanessa Sari now serving
Sari
for
has an
the
ace
set.
to her name though. Good serve. Better pass. Pasa all off the hands of the blockers. Flores, the tip will go in. Panangin in set 2.
Siya pa talaga ang Cotomangos.
Panangin, look at this. Credit that set kasi ginawa ng paraan yun ni Flores.
Sobrang effortless nung puntos na yon. Pero sayang for EAC, nandun na eh.
Yeah. 2-0 lead for Letran. We'll be back after this.